Hello, welcome back to SimplexiCode, and today is another day that we are going to be looking at our 22nd day of coding. We are doing the challenge of 100 days, and I'm very lucky to have you. And today we are going to be working on this specific page. So this is simple, basic layout, but which is a little bit complex but simple. So we have few things. We have here the navigation on the top. We have the brand name on the side. We have the image, which is also having a layer on top of it that is showing the text. And apart from that, we have two things here, almost three, and then we have the footer. So we're going to make this together as we are doing every day, and let's get started. Let's go back to code and make this happen. Yep, good. So starting from there, we need to start with our HTML5, which is going to be SimplexityCode. And remember, we are talking about CSS, so we need to connect our CSS dialect. After that, we have seen that we have header, footer, and things in between. So we start with the header, which is having h1, and then it's having a nav. And the nav, this time we're not going to use on the URL, we're going to use link dialects. And this will be index.html. Yeah. Then we have about. I think that's all on the part of the top. But after that, after getting our header out of the way, then we have section, and after section, we have the footer. I have the footer, which is going to have our paragraph. The paragraph is going to have our copyright 2013, 2023 to 2024. SimplexityCode. Good. After this, I think on section part we had two, let me pull that. We had three things, so we'll see. Oh, I closed it. We had three things. We had, yep, we had also image, I think. We had also an image after header. I see now. So we had div image, which was, okay, and div h1. Welcome to SimplexiCode, and the paragraph, discover the features that makes SimplexiCode stand out. Yep. Let's put this on light. Good, good, good. That's our website. It look amazing. Okay, we go back to our section. In our section part, we have few things. We have one is div, which is going to be having another two div, and this div is having h2 coding and the paragraph. After this, we have another div which is having h2 also, and the automation. Good, 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 good. In automation, we have what? We have I think we're going well so far. So this is div number one. Div number two is having h2 features, and then we have theory, which is the first is live coding. Number two is accessible templates. Number three, simplified coding. Good. So this is our website. Okay, cool. 7 minutes doing only this. So let's go to the hard part, because the easy part is done. We have made our HTML, it's now working. Now let's go to the CSS, where there is a little bit time. So you remember the first rule is shut down all the margin and padding. After that, font family, choose what you like. Then from there, we choose, okay, background color. We keep the same color, and the text will keep the same color. With that, I think we are almost done on the one part. But another part, okay, let's go to the header. The header here, we are talking about the background, which is that, padding, which is text. No, we're not going to do that now, because now we have a little bit different look. But let's go together. Let's go together. So after that, we have padding. what is on that page? We have, okay, we have padding, we have, I think I'm done here. Need to change color only to white. So I have to set display, go to flex, and then I have to say justify content. I need to space between, space allowed. I need space even. Space even is good one, but also I need to go with the align items to go to center. So now my text are centered, and my header is almost done. Then I come to footer. No. So I have header. Let me go to nav because it's a little bit few works to be done. One of them is padding. I need to give it a specific padding. From fix to 0. Make it a little bit bigger, but also text align. I put them to center. One more thing I'm going to do to the nav A, this is the links because I want to change that. I will change the color first and I'll make them white. After that, the collection, I need to get rid of that. I need also to get rid of, I need to create more space around between the one link to another by using padding and margin. So padding I will use 8 pixels by 0, and the margin will be 0 by 8 pixels. Yeah, so now you see there's good space, but I need to add one more thing. I need to add one more thing. Okay, display inline block so that they give each other nicer, a good space. Yep. So with that, I'm thinking I have to go to the next. So now the next thing is to deal with a few things. So I have my about there. I'll come back to that later, 30 minutes. It's good. So the next thing is now our text. For that, let me do the footer quickly. Okay, what is section? On section part, I will I will add a few things as we have been adding there. So first of all, I'll be adding the max width, which I put it at 800 pixels. Then I'll add main height to 70 VH. Then I'll add now padding. Yep, padding will go to at 20 pixels. Yep, so I'm dealing with this. This is an image part. And I think that's good, but also I'll need what? I will need my part. So I have that. Background color should be white. What is I'm missing? The background color should be white. After that, what is the largest? And the box shadow. All right. Okay. Yeah. We are going there. I'm missing margin here on my section. Padding, I have it. Padding, margin. I'll go with 20 pixels. Out. Boom. What if I go flat? Let me go flat and see. Yep, that's the best way. And that means it will be taking 2012 apart, which is not good. But if I add auto, I'm having the center. But I can specify the main width to 18 minutes. $400, 600. If I'm focusing that to be for the main page, yeah, that's good, but not yet. Let's go back now to our image because we need an image here, which means we need a class now. Top image, and this image we are going to have, it is so easy. We're going to use simple background image, which is URL, and we need to provide an image there. But also the few things that we need to do is background size and background position. Background size, we need to say cover, and the background position, we need to say center. Let me grab the picture here. Let me put the image into the folder 1 minute. I don't know why I missed that, but yeah, you forgive me for that. So grab one of the picture here. I'll go here and where is it? Day 22. Good. So I've dropped an image at PNG. Yep, I've dropped the image, that PNG. From there, what I want is few things like color to white and the text decoration and none, that padding I'll go with what? Good. All right, I need to see that image will not be shown because this is the class and I have to pass the class to that. And also I have to say now, before I go there, I'll say dot top image div. So whatever div within top image should have the following behavior, which is this div here. We're going to make it to padding of Zilla, but also background color to be a little bit transparent, which I'll be using LGBA. 0.5 less. So let me assign this. A times top image. Let me go back here and set this here. Plus top image. Yep. So we have our picture there, but we need to go back to our text to align them center. Didn't I? It should be here. Good. So we are done there, but we are remaining with few more things to be done here. So we are remaining with the vision of these two things, and we're almost done. We'll be almost done because these two things has to be divided and has to be on each side of each side of the part. I think that's the only thing we're remaining with. So how can we call that? That will be a class also. So this will be key service. Or service. Oh, okay. So we'll be having the container. This container will display flex. Why? Because I want to divide equally. Flex is easy to divide equally in the mid. But this is taking this is taking this. Justify content, space around, and what is? Let me go to flex wrap. wrap. Now I go to the services, I say flex 1. So this will make the two div to divide equally, but also I need to add more things. I need to add maybe max to control the way it can go. I'm using percentage for precision within the device, but also I need to do some margin to see the border and the like. Imagine I'm going with 20% and dividing. I've been using auto a lot. Now they have normalized that. Background color. I'll use this, and the color I use white. Yeah. What else am I remaining with? I'm remaining with shadow box so that it looks good. We need to put shadow for it to look a little bit better. Yeah. I can leave that. Good. So with this, almost done because the time is running also fast. I will just come here and say, okay, we're talking about this. So I will start with this one, and this will be the container. Then class service class service. As you can see, we have a very good one. If I want to make a little bit look good, I will add radius on services. I add the radius in services so that it can look so much beautiful. So with that, I think we'll stop here because the feature is already there. We can do other things with it, but it doesn't have any other special thing apart from showing the content, the like. And also we can reduce this. I will get rid of, no, not padding. Yes, let me do that, but go with the 0 so that it doesn't have that on the side, but it has the on the left and the right. What else do I want to make it look good? Yeah, it shouldn't go beyond 30 minutes. So thank you very much. This is our page to look a little bit now more site-like. I can add the size of the text. I think we'll add a little bit more look, but the list is beautiful. You make this and you advance, you expand, they become a very good website. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and talk to your friend about Simplicity Code. I have to master this. Until next time, thank you.